Okay.
How do you know
What?
when a tree is fully grown?
It's big and also sounds like you're chopping a tree instead of grass.
Yeah, it'll make like a real satisfying thunk noise when it's done.
Yeah.
Are you recording now, Jesse?
Yeah. Why?
Hi, this is Alice Dude, and you're watching Jackass.
It's so true. So fucking true. They can hear Discord too.
Cool. Well, I figured it would be funnier to do it in game.
Yeah. Cool. Okay.
If I had the soundboard effect for the Jackass theme song, I would have done.
Yeah.
Could have been reliving the early 2000s all over.
Lovely.
As I was telling Shrine, I'm kind of messing around with the trees inside our base.
Yeah. Yeah, I can
If
see
you
that.
chop one of the other ones in the area grows.
What?
It's either I have really good timing at this, but it's happened 10 times now.
I don't think that's a coincidence anymore.
Yeah, so...
Maybe we planted them all too close together?
No, these are all the auto ones, because they're all inside the base.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no one
No, we
planted the
planted
auto
some
one.
of those as well at the start of the.
Yeah, but some of them were auto spawning yesterday.
A lot of them,
I'm in
actually.
I'm in game now, if there's anything you need working, tell me now.
Just, I think Hippie might need some help with farming, but that's it.
So we should start growing a lot of trees in our
Okay,
base.
okay.
Yeah, for now when we don't need the real estate, we may as well.
Yeah.
May as well do a little tree farming.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
A bunch of open space for it
I'm gonna
inside
go
the
put
walls.
my stuff away and I'm gonna start chopping.
The only
Then we'll have to
issue
worry
is
about
we need
you.
more seeds.
Yeah, true.
I think people were just dumping seeds yesterday.
Yeah. I lost all of mine, so.
There would have been some that were lost, but I think a lot of people were just dumping them from their inventory.
Yeah.
This Flexer, this is my fourth one. Do you wanna show me at what temperature you last did it for the twister?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I missed. I have to repair it.
You can take it out now. It's perfect.
Ow, this is my
Oh
personal
no,
sword.
it still needs like one cycle.
No, it does not.
3.
I only did 3 on my last 3-star.
Yes, please.
Oh.
Don't we have enough supplies to start building the temple?
Wait, so
don't we need
let
There's
reinforcements?
no way to
me-
make reinforced planks, so there's no temple.
And you don't need to heat it all the way up.
Yeah. Take it out when your
take
thing is ready.
Okay, there we go.
Unless there is a way and the devs just haven't told us about it.
They could be waiting a few days to unlock it.
True.
Hey, a little, guys, can I just ask something? Like, I'm trying to cook, and I'm trying to make a system,
Nice. Okay. Perfect.
but everybody keeps putting food in the cooking stuff that is not supposed to be there, and start to get frustrating.
Oh.
Yeah, let's I'll get you guys some more drop boxes over there so you can.
Like, there are boxes enough, like, I just keep having to, like, take stuff out, the stuff gets burned, I'm, like, trying to time it, and, like, this I can't work.
Okay. I'm gonna get some more storage put over there for you, and then we'll have clear drop
Yeah,
boxes.
but there is enough, that's the problem.
I
that-
understand,
there's
we'll get more, so it's obvious.
There is actually
Yeah,
not
thanks.
much storage.
Yeah,
I
we'll
just
get you
went
more
through.
storage. And,
yeah, but there is, it just
drop.
needs to be used,
I
you know, there's
understand,
like,
I understand, but we're gonna make more obvious storage so people just drop it there instead of having to put it right into the fires and shit.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
it's a good
please,
solution.
like,
I'm
cool,
coming right
thanks.
now.
Oh, you can bypass the food limitation. What? Okay, that's weird. If you right click the moment you pull out a food, you can eat it no matter what. No, not right click, left click.
Enough boxes work, like just each one, it can take it from these two. And if there's stuff to put, there's boxes here.
Yeah, these 3 boxes will be drop off, okay? That way.
There's like,
Hippie, I'm making these 3 boxes.
Okay,
so
nice.
Don't have to run through your area. They can just
Get it
drop
down.
food off, and then
Okay.
if you
No,
need
that's
stuff to cook,
okay.
it'll be in here.
like because it's I try to avoid the ranking, but like this I'm just running like chicken down and that's just not enjoyable.
It's all good. We got you sorted out.
Yeah, cool. There we go. Throw this into fucking public storage.
Here, I'm gonna drop off some more branches you can burn too.
Do we have an extra axe?
I just understand.
We do, over by the forge.
Correct the food that
Or
comes
what?
out.
Why?
Whether I keep taking
Cool.
stuff out, putting fish where
Why would,
and then like it's just annoying.
Yeah, we got you, man. We hear
why
you.
would you be doomed, Slexer?
Again?
Why are we doomed over at the forge?
We hear you.
We
Make
are not
sure everybody
doomed
knows.
over at the forge. We have access over by the forge.
Yeah.
Someone was asking for an axe.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it not that you can just like do it either one time then as well, that you don't have to reheat it?
Yeah,
Oh, why
you
was?
don't have to reheat it.
Oh, why was there? Why was Zabby out here?
No, but I mean like you don't have to like forge it like 4 times.
No, you don't. I only heated and I heated the Act 3 star I just made 2 times, and on the second time it got to about 50-60% heat, and then I quenched it. And that became... I'm not entirely sure that you were finished forging that one. So that might be why it was 1 star.
Yeah, I was like trying that out.
Mhm.
Oh, we can still like, I would just save it for now, but we don't have to make it like into something.
Mhm.
Are both these full now? Oh wait, can you reheat it? No. Okay.
If you make a shitty axe, can you throw it in the forge and
Yeah, that's what I just tried to do, but look at it if you want.
did it turn into it? Oh, I see.
So nope.
All right.
I was gonna say no, you can't.
Okay, so you at least need to do it like 2 times.
Yeah.
Ah, you're doing it real low. Okay.
Yeah. I'm testing here. See if it has any effect on the quality.
Ah, I see, I see.
I don't think it does, but we'll see in a bit.
I think you just need to like get it like lower than 30% or something. Okay, done. And that was the second time or the third time
Yeah.
at the Anvil?
Second time.
Okay, so I did like one food cycle, and now I'm on like going to 60%. Like, if you look, would you take it out now then? Like, try it with mine. This is
Yeah,
the second
that
cycle.
looks finished. Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
And quench.
isn't
Yeah,
right
about you?
here.
there we go.
Damn. Okay. Nice.
Celery?
Celery's not in this.
Does anyone need to access or whatever? We got like quite some ready now to go.
Yeah, I need an axe.
Yeah, there's axes
We got
and
a
boxes.
couple of 2 stars and 3 stars ready to go.
Yeah, come get him. We don't have much inventory space left.
Yeah,
Oh, where's that?
by the
At
forest.
the
porch.
porch. West side of the city.
That, or you gotta get back to chopping.
Yeah.
I'll chop.
Did we just throw the X-Blade away? To level 1?
No. We should we should assemble it. I'll go do that.
I put both in.
All right.
You were both ready, so.
Mhm.
You wanna try 2 at once?
What do you mean 2 at once? Quenching
Well-
at the same time?
Yeah.
All right, sure.
Like, you can just take take them from this box.
Just a quick question. Where do I put the wood planks?
Oh, in the
Come over to me at the gathering hall.
Yeah.
I can put 'em in the
You
pot.
got an eye on these two, Tech?
Yep.
All right, I'll go grab some food.
Oh, I got food on me. Here.
Who has the stuff that needs the planks?
The car.
Ran this way from me. You're by Hippie and the food, right?
Do you want that last one
Yeah.
back?
I can.
Yeah, I'll go put it in the.
Mhm.
Trying to see if I can get these.
Thank you.
Shrine, just throw it in.
They need to add more slots for the property area.
Yeah.
And it's just way too little. When you
Yeah.
have a.
Look at that one. I get this one.
Mhm.
Oh. It's an item stash. Yep. Go. There's.
A bit too slow.
Throw it in, Shrine.
Yeah, I was in the stash, in the item stash.
Mhm.
I couldn't do much.
No worries.
And 3 flanks. I do think we have enough access though. Oh, wait. Oh, you took the other one.
Probably
as well.
yes for now.
Do we make some? I got myself a pickaxe as well, but
Does anyone need any iron tools except for axes?
Currently, no.
I wouldn't cut these, bro. I just noticed that they're starting to grow big, and I just chopped some over here. There's a few logs.
Oh shit. I didn't notice. Oh, but I know now.
It's all good.
Yeah, I just noticed it, honestly.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm gonna make one more pickaxe as well. So we
Mhm.
at least have like a spare pickaxe too.
All right.
Where do you leave the wood ashes?
Your
Yep, another
stockhouse.
big one just grew.
You could dump them in the local exchange at the gathering hall as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
All the
true.
trees to the
Yeah.
east are
Mhm.
starting to grow, so I
You're
wouldn't
free
chop
to
them.
throw
Just
in
only
and
chop the big
you're
ones.
free to pull out. So do need them.
I'm gonna grab some food. I'll be right back to the wood bug. Fuck. So, how much planks are we gonna be storing until we start upgrading stuff?
300.
300? Oh, I think I might complete that already.
We only got one bucket left
Ooh,
with water.
6 more planks, then it's
I'll
300.
go grab more then.
Oh, I gotta grab food first. Oh, you can just keep eating them in a row if you just hold left click non-stop.
And then the ones on the inside, let them grow.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
The Slexer, where did you get it off? Like at the back one, right? Can you get it off at the right moment?
Do you mean take it off the anvil?
Yep, and go it to the quenching one.
Could you move out of the way, please? Thank you.
Okay, so it was good, but
Yeah.
reserve planks. Yeah, plus 3.
Bunch of fully grown trees to the north. I'm gonna bring the wagon. You guys want to come with me?
Oh yeah, sure. Oh yeah. Guess no one has looked north since we've been looking in between. Damn, I see. Oh, that's the world border. This is the world border.
Crap.
Yeah, I forgot trees can grow outside the world.
Yeah, I just kind of glanced over there. Didn't really see the line. Damn.
We need fibers.
Oh, there's a
What?
few more growing trees over here. Yeah. Is that the only one? That might have been the only one. Huh. Grab the fiber while you're here, Shrine.
Alright, let me turn up your volume.
Oh shit. Am I really? There we go. That better?
Yeah, much better, bro.
Yeah. I have my mic kind of far away from my mouse because I tend to breathe sometimes.
Yeah, no problem, dude. You gotta breathe, right?
Yeah, people get annoyed by it.
Yeah, it's whatever, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, there was like 4 bushes outside the the north gate, so I'm gonna bring those in.
Yeah.
Got 18 fiber. Who needed the fiber?
Um,
It's pretty like cool stuff.
Huh? Oh, okay. I'll throw it into the stockpile then. Yeah.
Yeah. Tell you asked what it was used for. I'm sorry.
And we have 3 max storages of planks. Yippee.
Could I get some twigs?
Yeah,
for
how
the
many?
forge?
Yeah, how many?
10 will suffice for now.
There you go.
Thank you. But once you've started working on it, you do not.
Okay. Where should I throw the berries? I'll ask Kippy.
Near the farm, you'll see the drop boxes.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, the drop box is over here. Okay.
I'm still out here getting stuff off the ground.
Oh, celery's in here. I'll go tell him what. Hey, celery. Celery. The plank storage is full.
Okay. Just find another stockpile for now, and I'll come pick them up.
Okay.
Here, actually, I got you. There's gonna be a stockpile open in just a second.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, it's open.
Cool.
Thank you, Jesse.
Yeah, no problem.
Do you more than one storage, or is that?
Want me to move them into the main hall?
Where are the fully grown trees? They're nowhere to be found. No, wait. There's some southeast. South. Yeah, southeast. There's some fully grown trees. Hell yeah.
Can I help you, Shrine, with something?
Huh?
What's up?
Can I help you with something?
Yeah, if you want to help me gather some more wood, I was just cutting through to get to the east.
Mm.
Yeah, let me grab my axe.
Thank you.
Fuck.
Yeah, I just came from the north. I'm just cutting through the town.
Fuck. Ooh.
Do you have a 3-star axe already, Shrine?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So that.
Yeah, I'll meet you at the east gate. Okay.
Yep, coming.
All right, no problem.
I don't want to go too close to an IO.
I'm gonna drop my cart there. Actually, I gotta deposit some things. I'm full.
Sure.
They really obliterated the forest.
Yeah, just make sure the trees grow because they just started to grow where they can drop seeds and stuff. So
Yeah, I'm chopping them down when I see them.
yeah, I was just letting everyone know, not just you.
Yep.
Oh, I thought I was helping you by filling it up. Really my bad, hippie.
Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, this thing still works, right? Yes! Good. I'll get this part. How far am I into recording? 25 minutes. Cool. That means 26 minutes. Cool. Tour the base. Outside we have not. East side we don't have much outside of workbenches, repair bench, and the supply hut, which keeps everything from decaying. Yeah. Cool. I thought this was still decaying though. How far does it
But
reach?
then you need to ask the builders for it.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Yeah.
Jesse,
Yeah.
you can make like a horse and wagon, right? Can you make like a second one? Like the horse, one of the horses is like ready.
Oh shit. Yeah. Hold on. I'll grab some iron. Hold on.
Perfect,
Hold
because then
on.
we can use it to get wood and stuff.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Okay,
tell
alright.
Celery and shit, just to make sure he knows.
Okay, yep. Yeah, because one of them glitched out yesterday when the server shut down, so we
Sad.
only have one now.
Okay. Hey, we're probably gonna we need a second one since
And
apparently.
I would like to know like how you do it, so if you
Okay.
could teach me, that would be nice.
Yeah. Hold on, D-Tech. Fucking apparently we lost one of our horse and carts, so we're probably just gonna make another one.
Building some roads.
Yep. Shit. So is it okay if we take 2 iron just to make another
Can you
resource
move
cart?
a little bit for me?
Am I still muted? No.
No, I can hear you.
Alright, then can we take
Sorry,
2?
I was just talking to people in game and fucking.
Yeah, sorry.
Distracted.
Alright. Can I take 2 iron to make the resource cart? Because we got another horse ready to, actually do stuff. Oh shit, I need.
Brian, can you pick up these stone blocks for me?
Alright, cool. Okay, D-Tech, do you have a hammer? Grab a hammer real quick. That's what you need.
Where do you grab it?
There's one inside the town hall. Flint hammer. Just grab it.
Yep, got it.
Okay, equip it. Here, I'll drop you the materials. Grab it. Okay. Then
So,
under
25 wood and 1 or 2 ingot.
yeah. Hold on. You know where it is in the build menu, right?
No, but I've never been into there.
Press B. Under the boat and wagon one, the 4th one is the resource wagon. Place it down,
Hey,
wherever you
Jessica,
can.
sorry, I was right in the middle of something. Did you have a question?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I was asking if I could use some iron so you can build another resource cart.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
We have plenty of iron. That's,
Yeah,
I think
just making
2
sure
per,
we.
so.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
go for it.
Alright.
It
Detect.
constantly says
Need to
build
fix
site
the road outside
restricted.
as well.
So.
Oh yeah. Hold on. You just find an empty plot of land like over here. Over here. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Take out your hammer and start hammering. There you go. Just hold. Just like chopping wood.
Thank you.
Okay. Cool.
That is the child
Okay,
in
and then
bed.
you need to like lead the horse to it then? Or
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
How does...
You need to put. Oh, you just need to back a horse into the harness practically. Get off the horse. Interact with the wagon, and there should be a button in the bottom left saying attach animal.
Okay, if you can do that with me as well, then I at least know how to do this as well.
Yeah. I'll make sure the button's actually in the right place. Hold on. Grab a horse. Yeah, okay. The button's in.
What?
Grab a horse. Make sure it's fed.
I'll go on the boat. Just...
Alright. There's some feed in here. Don't take it from there. That's for, the horses.
Yeah, that one is empty, so...
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let me, I'm gonna throw some feed in there. Got make sure these horses don't die. Okay. Okay, this one is good. Yeah, they're both fine. Take one of them. Open the... Okay, here you go. Come here. Yeah. Go to the wagon, then back up in front of it. So it looks like the harness is connecting, but it really isn't. Okay. That's good enough, I think. Get off the horse. Interact with it, and there should be there's an attach animal button when you interact with the cart now. Their cart. There we go. Now it's connected. Alright, there we go. Make sure you feed it every once in a while.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Now I'm gonna go back to what I was doing. Oh, okay. Resuming a tour at 32 minutes, 33 minutes, I guess. 33 minutes, 45 seconds. Okay. You have the residential zone currently. Oh, sorry. Farming zone right here. In food production generally, animal husbandry. 2 wells, ash storage, all
Hey,
that.
Slack, can I get a hammer made?
Here's the smith.
Of course.
Here's the workshop. Insane axes here. Constant +3s and +2s. Yeah, fucking look at that. Mwah. Could probably make a broad axe soon too.
Do you need anything, Jesse?
No. I'm just recording a video for the clan. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, since you're just recording, can I get Taco Bell?
So true.
I'll take a chalupa supreme.
Gladly. Over here we just have some random stuff like a blacksmith. Practically just a production area that goes all the way. In the center we have the town hall and the property area for private storage. Because we don't want those pesky griefers taking anything. We got wall around the center fort. We have workbenches and repair. That's been moved, but anyway, some cart storage. Some things that have been moved around here, like the repair bench, sawbuck, constant. Talking about the agreement, practically anywhere in this middle zone is fine. Anything outside, like right outside our walls, is ours, and same for them. Supply hut for keeping everything supplied and not decaying. Extra hut for I think it was a new player who couldn't get in. Yeah. Then we have stone production, which we have a shit ton. probably too much for since it hasn't respawned yet. Though might need more. That's about it for the actual tour. Cool. Ends at 35:15. Cool.